Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to share a Python automation tool that I developed to simplify and speed up the process of survey quota creation and proportional sample allocation. I developed a Python-based automation tool. The program reads data directly from Excel files and first asks the user to enter the required sample size. It then interactively asks which categories are needed for each quota. For example, the user can select the required provinces, SEC groups, gender categories, regions, education levels, income groups, and even define custom age brackets based on a separate population database. Once the selections are made, the program automatically recalculates the population proportions based only on the selected categories. It then performs proportional sample allocation using the specified sample size. Another useful feature is that the program automatically generates a well-formatted Excel report. Each worksheet is named according to the user's selections, making the output organized, easy to understand, and ready for immediate use. One of the key features of this tool is the minimum threshold allocation. If any category receives fewer than the required minimum interviews, the program automatically adjusts the allocation while keeping the overall sample size unchanged. This ensures that every selected category remains adequately represented without affecting the total sample. The biggest advantage of this automation is the amount of time it saves. The tool uses publicly available population data from the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics, PBS, Digital Census 2023, including demographic distributions such as province, gender, region, education, income, socioeconomic classification, SEC, and detailed age data. These datasets are used to calculate accurate population proportions and generate customized survey quota allocations based on user-defined criteria. The biggest advantage of this automation is the amount of time it saves. Tasks that previously required extensive manual calculations and repeated Excel work can now be completed in just a few minutes. This project demonstrates how Python can be used to automate statistical and market research workflows, making data processing more efficient and reliable. I hope this project gives you an idea of how automation can transform repetitive analytical tasks into a fast, accurate, and user-friendly process. Thank you for watching.